Hey guys, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm in the gym and feeling very unfocused on exactly what I want to do. I'm having a case of the Mondays, I suppose, but take a look at this super cute sports bra top from Cleo Harper. I love it. I love this gym because it's quiet and usually only 1 to 2 other people are here, if even that. I am having a hard time getting back into strength training and trying to force myself to get back in the habit with hopes I can love it again someday soon. Okay, I need to start lifting heavy again after a huge hiatus I took from strength training. If you followed me for a while on social media, you'll know that I love cardio and I love Pilates and that I used to do bodybuilding like bikini competitions, but the stress of those workouts for years left me needing a huge break and suffering from total gym burnout. So a couple years later, I'm back. I've remained active the entire time, just not strength training in the gym so much. So here I am doing some much needed goblet squats with like 45 pounds. Honestly, I could have gone heavier, but I was just not in the mood. Getting ready for my second set. And let me talk for a second about bikini competitions and give my honest feedback on them. I love the discipline and structure and sense of accomplishment it takes to do these shows. I am much more introverted than people think, so getting on stage in a tiny bikini and prancing around was so far out of my wheelhouse, but I'm so proud of myself for doing it. I actually did 3 shows, 2 in 2018 and 1 in 2019, all in Arizona. I placed okay, but when I say I was doing it for me versus me, I actually mean that. I wanted to overcome my absolute terrified fear of getting on stage and posing. I think that was even harder than eating cold tilapia with mustard for the week leading up to the show. Finished out my last set and reflecting for a moment, I really am proud of this body I've built and maintained. 41 with 3 kids, I am holding my own. Thanks for hanging out, guys. See you next time.